How to fix Messenger last seen not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Messenger last seen not showing. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1, that is to check active status. So here simply open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here once you're inside the app, just tap on the menu icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here simply tap on the settings. And now here once you're inside the settings, what you can do is simply scroll down, and there you can just tap on your profile picture, or you can even tap on the active status option. And now here in this section, make sure that this option which says "so when you are active" is toggled on. If this is off, neither you nor your friends will see last seen. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to check the other person active status. So if they turned off active status, you won't be able to see the last seen. So this is normal and cannot be bypassed. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to update the Messenger. So here simply open the Play Store, and once you have opened it, simply search for the Messenger app, and there if you find any update button, then simply tap on update to update it to the latest version, because outdated apps can cause the status not showing errors. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to clear cache. So here simply long press on the Messenger app icon, and now from the pop-up menu just tap on app info. And now here once you're inside the app settings, just tap on clear data option shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And once you're done with that, you can simply restart the Messenger app. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to check the internet connection. So here make sure that you have stable internet connection, or you can try switching between Wi-Fi or mobile data, or you can even turn airplane mode on and off, because here poor connection can prevent last seen from updating. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to log out and log back in. So here simply open the Messenger and go to the menu section. And now here once you are inside the menu section, then what you can do is simply tap on your profile name at the top. And now from here you can simply log out from your account by switching to another account, and after that you can simply log back in again. And once you do that, it may solve your issues. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.